Welcome to The Waterfall, a series in which Kaberi and I will be exploring well-being, sustainability, the arts and technology in the era of crises, burnouts and artificial intelligence. But why have we called it The Waterfall?
It all starts here in Santiniketan, India, the hometown of Rabindranath Tagore. It's also where I grew up, studying dance, singing, and the arts. Children attend classes in the shade of the trees, ensuring that they grow up close to nature. In 1922, Rabindranath wrote a play called Muktadhara, which literally means free stream in Bengali. The title is often translated as The Waterfall. Our series takes its name from that play.
The play is about a tyrannical king who orders his machine king to build a massive dam across a waterfall called Muktadhara to control the water supply to the people of a neighbouring state and assert his power over them. The play starts 25 years later, after many lives have been lost and the dam has just been completed.
It is a powerful allegory in which the waterfall symbolizes the spirit of freedom and the dam represents its oppression.
The conflict between the natural flow of the river and the man-made dam reflects Rabindranath's critique of uncontrolled mechanization.
You can probably think of modern day equivalents of the characters in the play.
The tyrannical king, the machine king, the dam, the waterfall, and the singer encouraging non-violent protests. Please share the real-life equivalents who come to your mind for these characters in the Waterfall community on Discord.
Join us on our exploration of well-being, sustainability, the arts and technology by following The Waterfall on YouTube, Spotify, or your favorite podcast channel.
Come and say hello on the Waterfall community on Discord.